Hello, and today will be episode 1 of a new series on Visual Basic. I'm using 2010, and let's get started. So, create a new project, Windows Forms application, and now we can start. So now, I'm assuming you're new to Visual Basic, and you have no idea what I'm doing. Well, first of all, you need to install Visual Basic. It's Microsoft, so you know it's going to be pretty good. So now, Visual Basic is pretty much, you're making programs with it. You can drag stuff in and code it. So now, when you click on something, you select it, of course. And then these are everything about it over here. So now, go down to text and change it to something like hello. Right, so now it says hello. We can drag in buttons and all that stuff. And if your toolbox isn't there, then just look for it up here or whatever and get it to be over here again. So now, I'm going to start with a label. Okay, label 1, we can change that text. I'm going to just change that to anything I want, like, hello, welcome to Visual Basic. Oh, spelling mistake. If we select that, we can change that. It's not a word at all. So now we can also change fonts, actions, and all that. We'll start with fonts. So now, we can do whatever style we'd prefer. Size. Okay. Hello and welcome to Visual Basic. So, now if we were to add a button in, we could program what we want that button to do. So now, say we're going to make this button have different text. So now, if we double click this button, it will take us directly into the code. So now our label name right here, I'm pretty sure if we were to check, which you can't change this, it's just label 1. So now, we're going to type, this will, up here is pretty much when you click the button, what will happen. So now, label, because it's going to affect the label, label 1 dot text, and then we can just do equals, and then like this, and then type what we want it to change to. You just pressed a button. So now if we debug this and start it, hello and welcome to Visual Basic. You just pressed a button. And of course, we haven't set anything else. So now, we're gonna learn about like actions. If we click on what we want, for example, hello and welcome to Visual Basic, and then we click this, we have all these actions. You can do like if you put the mouse over it, it will change. That's what we're gonna do. So mouse, we're gonna find it. I'm pretty sure it is mouse enter. So now if we were to click that, and then when the mouse is over it, we will change the label 1 text into something like the mouse is on me. And then if we run this and put our mouse over it, the mouse is on me. Now when we leave, we haven't told it what to do when we leave. So we can do that right now. So now, if we go back here, make sure this is selected, we're going to select mouse leave. If we can find that over here, mouse leave. So now, if the mouse leaves, we're going to change the label.text. Whoa. Label1.text into something like the mouse left. Alright, so now if we run this, well, hello and welcome to Visual Basic. The mouse is on me, the mouse left. And then everything is functional. So there are many other things. For example, checkbox, text box, of course, which we will get to. Actually, let's play with the checkbox. So now, the checkbox is going to be checking off if you like pie. Yeah, I think that would be something. So now, if we go down to text, do you like pie? There we go. And then when this is clicked, the label text will be changed to I love pie too. So now, this is your first program in Visual Basic. We're going to run it, see what it does. Hello and welcome to Visual Basic. The mouse on me, the mouse left me. You just pressed a button, I love pie too. So that is pretty neat. There's your first program, and learning Visual Basic was not as hard as you thought, was it? Stay tuned for part 2, and thank you for watching.